So I didn't have my masonry bit in my pack. So I went to the store and I ended up picking up this bit right here. Nice and short, I like that. And it says it's for porcelain and glass and other stone. So I figured this ought to work. It's kind of expensive, but maybe it'll last a long time and I'll try not to lose it. So I really like it. It really goes through the slate, which I thought it would if it can do other materials like that. What they're saying, slate is rather soft in that regard. So here's a situation. So we have, I was able to cut one or rip one really nice. Worked out nice. I got both pieces. Did it gently. So right here we have one hole that was pre-drilled. Purchased it that way. Now we can't really, we could go out here and put another one in, but then we're into the molding. Didn't really want to do that, so I went right above it and put one in. Now remember, over here, this is going to show. So we got to keep it away from here. Well, actually I should go up here. So this one right here, this one only has one nail in because the other nail goes over here. So instead of doing that, I put one in right up here. Or I'm going to put one in right there. So we're the same distance from the edge here. And remember, this is a steep roof. So water's not going to migrate over very far. It's coming down pretty fast. So the only confusing thing will be if someone goes to remove this piece of slate, hopefully not me, but if someone does, they're going to find it confusing that there's no nail on the other side, and then they're going to run into that one. But most likely, these other ones are going to fail before these. These are new slate. These are going to last a long time. The other ones already have 150 years on them. So they're not going to last forever, but they're still in good shape. Not perfect shape, but they're still holding it. And I'll just keep replacing them as I need to, is my plan. Okay, that's all I had to say about that. Still haven't decided about this top one. Do I remove it and then do the bib in there, which I really prefer to do that. So I'm getting close, gonna have to decide. Maybe I should decide right now, actually. Okay, like the new bit. Pretty pricey, but as long as I don't lose it, it'll be worth it. You can't, oh, I should say, you can use a slate hammer and tap the holes in, but you get breakage, and I just like the clean drilled holes. Oh, that's all there is to it. Yeah, I have put them in with the hammer. You can tap on one, tap from the back side, and you can get them through there, but I just like the clean drilled holes. It's another piece of equipment you have to carry, which if you're in a bad spot, you might not be able to, but for the most part, I'm okay. And we'll be talking about some other alternatives that I've been thinking about to get to that spot. I can't reach it from the lift. So we're gonna have to come from down there right up. Probably about 15 feet, I would say. Maybe, probably 16 feet up through with the ladder. So I got some plans for that. We're gonna invent something. At least that's my plan. We'll see how it goes.